Let's take a look at this problem. We got the limit as x goes to 2 of x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. And it says find each limit using algebraic techniques, but if we went ahead and tried 2, if I put 2 in, especially in the denominator, 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 8 gives you 0. You can't have a 0 in the denominator. Well, this one, again, we'll try to use a factor cancel. Let's first look at the x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now this one is PSD. We have x squared x, no number in front of our x squared. PSD, we take our number at the end, ignoring a sign, which would be 6. And we come up with our 3 columns, our P and our S and our D. P as the products give us 6. We got 1 times 6, 2 times 3. The S column, S for sum, we add these together. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5. D, difference, subtract smaller from larger. 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now the number we're looking for is the number in the middle term, which is 5, which we have in 2 places. Try one, see if it works. If it doesn't work, try the other one. If you're a little bit more comfortable with factoring, the sign here at the end, since it's positive, that means it has to be the one in the S column. So it's this 5 we want. Now if the sign at the end had been negative, we would have wanted the one in the difference column. So we're going to use 2 and 3. Now the 2 numbers we're using out of the P column, the larger of them, which is a 3, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. The number I circled in the S column, S for same signs, both positive, both negative. Since this one's negative, then this one will be negative. Okay, let's take a look at our other one. We've got x squared plus 2x minus 8. Again, this is PSD because we have x squared x, no number in front of the x squared. Take the number at the end, ignoring a sign. So take the 8 and come up with our 3 columns again. All the products give us 8. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. The S column, we add them together. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6. The difference column, we subtract smaller from larger. 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2. Number we're looking for is a number in the middle term, which is 2, which is right here, which means we use 2 and 4. Our larger number in the P column that we're using 2 and 4, so the larger one is 4, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem was positive. Number I circled in the difference column, D for different signs, means one will be positive, one will be negative. So since the 4 is positive, then 2 has to be negative. Okay, so this now becomes the limit as x goes to 2 of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 4. Now after I factor the top, factor the bottom, I notice that they both have an x minus 2, so those can cancel. And we're going to have the limit as x goes to 2 of x minus 3 over x plus 4. And now we can use direct substitution. So put the 2 in for the x. The 2 I'm referring to is the value it's approaching, this one right here. So put 2 for the x there, 2 minus 3, and down below we got 2 plus 4. Now 2 minus 3 is negative 1, and 2 plus 4 is 6, so our answer is negative 1/6.